Hi guys, I'm just jumping on real quick to add a little bit before this video because I started to edit it and realized I need to mention a couple things. I'm getting a ton of pen supplies in. Most of those videos I'm going to put over on the other channel. This just happens to be the first of the TikTok shops purchases I made, so I'm going to put this one on this channel, but everything else except for maybe one other TikTok shops video is going to be on my other channel. That is linked in my descriptions down below all the time. I put a lot of my other stuff over there that might not appeal to everybody. So if you would go like, subscribe over there as well. That way you don't miss additional content. I just know that not everybody's going to want to see everything. And the reason there's so many of those videos going to be coming up is because I did hurt my back this week, and I can basically sit or stand comfortably for 5 to 10 minutes and then I have to move. So trying to record a bunch together or actually do anything this week has been near impossible. So bear with me. You're going to hear that I'm in pain in some of those videos. Hopefully by the time they're going live, I'm not so much in pain anymore, but at the time I was recording them all and doing all the unboxings and stuff, yes, I've been in a ton of pain. So if you're interested in the pen videos and the rest of these supply haul videos, for the most part, except for, like I said, maybe one more with a certain type of bead, go over to my other channel because that's where they're all going to be. They're going to be fairly short, fairly sweet little videos. Temu, TikTok shops, Amazon, whatever else I'm getting pen supplies from. So I just wanted to add this in at the beginning just so you know what's been going on. But that is it. Thank you. Now for the actual unboxing. Hi guys, it's Ray. So I fell down the TikTok shop rabbit hole, you know, TikTok live shopping last weekend before, and this is the first package to arrive. And because I hadn't ordered from TikTok shops before, I got a ridiculous coupon, and these ended up really cheap. So I went ahead and ordered, and since then have gone like really deep down the TikTok shops rabbit hole when it comes to pen supplies. So I don't necessarily think that they're not bad deals, not by any means. Actually, some of them are really quite phenomenal, and some of them you get to completely pick your order, and it's actually really just kind of fun to watch them pack them live. So this is my packing slip. This was 100 random pens and 30 pieces of random focal beads. So you couldn't really pick your pens, but special products do not return or exchange. Wasn't going to, but they just packed up a random bunch of focals. You got to watch her scoop them and package them. She would let you like ask about a couple of them, but you couldn't sit there and pick every single one. So, which I am perfectly fine with, because when I pick myself, I end up picking like the same things over and over again, and then each bag should have like 25 pens in it. And like I said, these were like, I think it was originally like $40-something, and then I got a stupid good coupon code. So I think I paid $27 for like the 100 pens and all the focals, or could have been less. I don't know. But at any rate, it was fun interacting with the host and having them pack my order live and whatever. So yes, I went down a rabbit hole. But I'm actually going to switch you around and we'll go through the pens and the focals together, because I haven't even looked at them yet. Obviously, I just unboxed it in front of you. Okay, so they had like some printed, some plain, some glittery, some ombre. I don't really know what's in here. This, it looks like I've got a lot of this one, but it is what it is. It's fine. So we're gonna go through and check out our pen selection. So I'm gonna do them like 25 at a time, I think. I did watch her count them all on the live, so I'm not gonna count them all. But there will be some duplicates, and that's perfectly fine, because like I said, I was just looking for a random selection. So there's a couple of red and orange. This color is so pretty, this like purpley color. It's slightly different than this one. These ones are glittery ones, but these are printed. Some like leopardy cheetah ones. And these are Christmas prints. Purple, purple, purple. A couple more white, which is great because I always want more white. Some pinks. This is like a glittery ombre. Super pretty. Every single one of these writes in black. I've never seen one of these that didn't write black, so if you don't want black, I don't know what to tell you. I've just never seen any that weren't black. I'm not going to try and get through that adhesive this time. I'm just going to cut these, or this one. That one is in 2 pieces, which is fine. That's a super pretty bright pink. When I pick them out myself, I don't get a great variety. So, these are some more Christmas ones. They're pretty cute. I had the option. I could have told her no Christmas. It was fine. The only thing I did ask her to do was some white, even though I have a pack of white. I asked her for some white and some ombres. That was like my primary. Blue and red. And some more of these like chromey ones. These ones are always fun, I think. And maybe we'll look at these next. This kind of scared me because I'm going to end up with things that I've never... 2 little cross beads that I've never even seen or heard of, probably. So, I was kind of hoping for more Christmassy ones to go with the Christmas things, but here's another cross. So, 3 pink cars. Those are cute. What's that, Dobby? This one, I don't know. I feel like I should know, but I don't. These ones, cute little cactus. Be brave, be strong, be fearless. I love Mom. Boss and Boss. Whoops. Boss in yellow. It's a boy. These I will probably never use, quite frankly. Beetlejuice, I think. So these are my only 2 Christmas ones. This is like you feed it on and put the focal or beads in the middle. Little minion, a couple of flip-flops, a couple little handprint blood splatter ones that can go on with a horror focal. Chucky. Look, it's Max. A little daisy. Probably some kind of design or something. I don't know. Maybe not. Who knows? Designer bead. Graduation cap. Another cute cactus. This fox is really cute. Pumpkin's super cute. And the cowboy boots are really cute. So, I have a ton more focals, random type ones coming, plus some that I like hand selected, all from TikTok shops. So there's going to be lots more of this coming. I'm just going to cut both of these packages open at once. I just peeked at the top of these. These look really pretty. And so do these. More Christmas ones. That's okay, because I have some just kind of solid Christmassy beads. So. Trying to see if these are all slightly glittery, which is cool. But these are, I love these ones. The ombres. I really like the black and white and gray. I hadn't even noticed those. Another chrome metallic. Some greens, which I feel like I use a lot more greens than I would have expected. Some more Christmas prints. A rose gold, a pink, orange, purple. And last batch. So, 2 more Christmas ones. I like this just Christmas trees one. I like that one a lot. And this one has a lot of the ombres in it. This particular shop, you couldn't sit there and pick out 100 pens. I mean, the poor girl would be all there all day, and then some. But she did accommodate. Like, if you did not want Christmas, she would take care of you there. These won't even all fit in here. A couple more rose gold. So, yeah. Quite the variety here. Oh, that's another ombre one. I missed that the first go around. So, yeah, I was pretty pleased with this overall. I do have a lot more pens coming, a lot more focals coming, a lot random, and I have a whole mess of adorables that had already been opened coming. So as that stuff starts to show up, we'll start going through that as well. I will try to link to the TikTok shops, but I don't really know how that works, because this was a whole new experience for me. But yeah, I've got some fun things to play with now, so I'm excited. I mean, even if some of these are unusable, I'm not really worried about it. And there are a handful in here that I'm probably not going to touch, so. But I did want some more random variety, because like I said, if I pick them, I tend to pick same or similar items, and that doesn't work. But I've also been stocking up on those. If you haven't seen my latest Temu hauls or hauls that are coming up, watch those too. So yeah, I've got pens for days. So these are Temu, by the way. This is just this TikTok order. So that is it. I will see you guys in the next one, and we'll see how my TikTok shop experience progresses, right? Actually, I do know that I do have some more Christmas stuff coming, because I know I have some snowmen at the very least. So anyways, I'll be back. Thank you for watching.